I have a friend that may Allah make it easier for her. She's going through some test, and then she has some bad thoughts about Allah. And I'm not knowledgeable person. I've tried to tell her to go to knowledgeable people and ask them, but she's thinking that Allah is not being fair, and like, why is this thing
Astaghfirullah.
happening and stuff like that. And I
Astaghfirullah.
say to her, like, you shouldn't think like that. And I'm trying to be her friend because I don't want her to go to the other end. And if you could just tell me some things, little things that I can reply to her. Jazakallah khair.
First of all, any question like this had to be maybe more confidential. Number two, we shouldn't really repeat these words that she had uttered. تكاد السماوات والأرض أن يتفطرن. Heaven and earth is about to be split open when they said Allah is not fair. So I would say, number one, yourself. Because Allah Azza wa concern yourself. عليكم أنفسكم. الذين آمنوا عليكم أنفسكم لا يضركم من ضل إذا هديتم. Yourself first. Are you immune? Are you equipped with taqwa to defend yourself against these shubuhat and doubtful matters? That is your friend that you're saying he's beholding now and he's talking about. He could put doubt in your mind, yourself. That's number one, yourself. Number two, that the person himself is that you want to tackle with. I have to see how he is. If he's a person who is a philosopher, he's just chat for nothing, and I know that the end of the road is dead end, no way. I shouldn't be arguing with him in the first place, because getting nowhere. If this person has got doubtful matters regarding waswasa, that's something, or doubtful matter because he's got actually some doubts, and that's something else. Waswasa has got a different route for dealing. Waswasa, he's saying that I've got these ideas coming to me and I'm trying to, protect myself with them. And the other one, which is, no, I want to know why Allah is, for example, giving the male double share of the female in the inheritance, for example. Doubtful. Then you could really now deal with that differently. To deal with this, it needs you for yourself to be equipped with their information. But don't forget to make dua to this person. Dhahr al-ghayb. Always, whenever he's not there. Allah's messenger, when he's been asked for dua, he will give the dua in front of the person, and as soon as he leaves, oh Lord, such and such. Da'watul Muslim fi dhahr al-ghayb mustajabah. Prophet he said, the Muslim supplication, where the person that you're making supplication for him is absent, is mustajabah. It's going to be responded to. It's going to be fulfilled. عنده ملك موكل. There will be an angel there. For whatever you say to your brother, the angel, he will say Ameen, and for you the same. Why when he's in absence? Because when he's absent, you will be more of truthful. While in his face, you're trying to show how good you are, how you love him, and there's some things lingering there. But in his absence, you're truthful and sincere. He's not there. It's only you and Allah. Allahumma ya Rab. Ya Rab. Ya Rab. أنقذه من جهنم. Ya Rab. أريه الحق حقا وارزقه اتباعه. Ya Rab. Be sincere to him. And Allah will give you the same.